Ready.
Hello, I am Anjali Kumari of Standard 8. As we all know that it is birth anniversary of Anagarika Dharampala. Today I am here to talk about Anagarika Dharampala, the greatest Buddhist revivalist. Ladies and gentlemen, today I have the privilege of speaking about one of the most influential figures in
हाँ जहाँ पर
modern
समाज वहाँ वो है
Buddhist,
परी करो
Anagarika Dharampala, a name that
सही
resonates
है
with the revival of modern era. Born in 1864, Colombo, Sri Lanka, Dharampala, originally named Dan David Hevavitran, dedicated his life to preservation and promotion of Buddha teaching at a time when Buddhist was facing significant challenge. In the 19th century, Buddhism in Sri Lanka and much of Asia was in decline, overshadowed by colonialism and the spread of Western religious. Anagarika Dharampala recognized the crisis and took it upon himself to restore the dignity and sanctity of Buddhists. His efforts were not confined to his homeland. He sought to rejuvenate Buddhist on a global scale, beginning with the ascetic seat of Buddha's life. One of Dharampala's most significant contributions was his work in Bodh Gaya, India, the place where the Buddha attained enlightenment. When he first visited Bodh Gaya, he was struck by the neglect of the Mahabodhi temple, a site for immense spiritual importance to Buddhists. At that time, the temple was under the control of non-Buddhist caretakers. Was in a disrepair, Dharampala made it his mission to reclaim Bodh Gaya as a sacred Buddhist site. In 1891, he founded on Mahabodhi Society, an organization dedicated to revival of Buddhists in India and the restoration by his holy place. His effort eventually led to the temple being restricted, recognized as a major pilgrimage site for Buddhists worldwide. Dharampala institution, however, extended beyond the restoration of physical sites. He was a visionary who understood the importance of education and global outreach. He traveled extensively, becoming one of the first Asian religious leader to bring Buddhists to the West at the World Parliament in Chicago in 1893. Dharampala presented Buddhism as a religion of compassion, nationality, and non-violence, garnering widespread respect and laying the groundwork from Buddhist growth in the Western world. Back in Sri Lanka, Dharampala was a leader in this Buddhist revival of movement, advocating for a return to the ethical and spiritual teaching of the Buddhist. Anagarika Dharampala's legacy is one of unwavering commitment to the Dharma. As we reflect on his contribution, we are reminded of the power, determination, and importance of enduring reflections of the Buddha teaching in today's world. Thank you.
very good